Suzuki GS 300, I mean GS 250, I believe. It's Suzuki GS 250. Let me show it right here. It's a GC 250. So what it was doing, and it won't starter. It cranks but no starter. So I removed the distributor or the carburetor. I removed the carburetor from here. It was just one bolt right here on the this side, and another one, and another bolt. Oh, way down there. If you see it right here, it's, let me turn this thing off. It's right there. So you can pull the, and then you remove the brackets, the little clamps right here, one and the other one right here. Remove the throw cables, and this one on the other side, you know, and then loose that one so you can pull the whole thing out. And what I found, it's let me see. What I found, it's the valve. I already removed the float. Let me see. I already removed the float right here, and I removed the little holder pin or holder clamp, whatever it calls, right here. Remove that one. And what I found, it's I used the blaster. I sprayed on top and let it sit right there on the valve, because you know when this float, it needs to be moving up and down, you know. It all depends the fuel goes inside of it. So this valve, it needs to go up and down, you know, freely. So what I was doing, I was trying to pinch this thing right here and pull them out, you know, press it out. I think this camera is dirty. Hold on. Better now. So what I was doing, I put the blaster or EW40 WD-40 right there, and I let it sit for a little while, and then now I can pull that, because it's already loose. It's just kind of hard, but if you see the way it looks kind of dirty in there. So I'm gonna clean the whole thing. You can see the dirt on the end of it, you know. So check this before, you know, go to anything else. And as you can see right here, but the end right there, you can see it's still dirty right there. So I'm gonna clean them up and see if we can get it back to the road. But inside right there, it's just kind of dirty. So I hope that, you know, this tip help you a little bit and save you some money. All right guys, we'll see you next time.